A tank starts off containing 1,060 gallons of water, and 35 gallons of water leaks from the tank every hour. At the same time, an empty pool is filled with water at a rate of 480 gallons per hour. Which inequality represents all possible values for x, the number of hours that have passed when the tank contains less water than the pool? We're going to take a look at the question and highlight or underline, circle, box, any keywords we may find. Here I see which inequality represents all possible values for x, the number of hours that have passed when the tank contains less water than the pool. We are talking about a tank and a pool. Because of the word inequality, I will remember our inequality symbols. We have less than, which the symbol looks really close to the letter L. So anytime you see this symbol, L, less than. This symbol, what looks like the opposite, greater than. Here's another L, so we know it's going to be less than. We have a line underneath which signals equal. Then we have greater than, or again, equal. We also have our keywords for slope, M, which again are each, every, per, may at times see rate, or constant. For y-intercept, B, we will have either start, initial, fee, or has. For the most part, if you see any of these three words, the number closest to it will be your slope, and any extra number will then be your y-intercept. So now reviewing all that, we will look at our question and the information given before. We have a tank starts off containing 1,060 gallons of water, and 35 gallons of water leaks from the tank every hour. We also have, at the same time, an empty pool is filled with water at a rate of 480 gallons per hour. Let's break it down. For a tank, we have 1,060 and 35. So we will have tank. Let's organize with our numbers and 35. I see the word every, which again, remember, every indicates slope. And slope comes with an X. In that same sentence, if we follow through, the number we see first is 35. 35 is going to have our X. We also have the word leaks. Leaks means something is being taken away from the container. So in this situation, leaks will be minus. And again, in that same sentence, we see every, we see leaks, and we have 35. So that minus will be with 35. The next sentence, talks about the pool. In the pool, we have 48 or 480. And we see the word per, which again, remember, per is slope. Slope comes with my variable x. I also see the word filled. Filled in this situation is telling us something is gaining, is increasing, is being added. So filled would be a plus. So 480 would be a positive number. In the question, I see the word less water, less. Less starts with L. What symbol looked like an L? This one, less than. So that would be our symbol here. In the question, we see the word tank first, then we see the word less, then we see pool. So we know this is our correct order. The answer that best matches will be C.